everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know that you guys are having a great Friday night because, well, most of you are currently off at this time. It's currently maybe 5 minutes after 9 my time, and I just wanted to show you guys my happy mail from Plan Your One Life from Brit. I have happy mail from Sam, and I also have happy mail from Reynolds budget. So I can't wait to officially see what I got. Now for these two, I did go ahead and open them, that way I could punch them. And the one that came from Brit, she did have it wrapped so nice, I just couldn't bring myself to open it, so I wanted to open it with you guys. So first we'll start with Reynolds budget, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't already hit that red subscribe button, go ahead and do so. That way you would be notified anytime I upload a new video. I also changed my name from Budget Me to Wealth to I Desire with 2 E's Wealth. So I Desire Wealth, or better yet, I Desiree Wealth, but you get what I'm trying to say. So here's my order from Reynolds Budgets. Here is her information. So she sent a $1,000 vinyl, and I can put that on my placeholders that I do have from Two Moms Budgets. And here are the instructions. So what I ordered was 2 sets. And I'll just put these down here because they are the same. So I ordered 2 sets of her savings challenges. And I did get a card. And I like the iridescent color. And it just says, "Thank you so much for the order. I hope you enjoy the trackers. Katie, happy budgeting." So first we got the $1 savings challenge. And it just have 100 little piggies, and once you save a certain amount, you will end up with $100. Well, at least I think that's how that goes. So $1 saving challenge for $100. So we have that one. The next one is the $5 savings challenge, and it just says color in a cash icon for each $5 you save. Once all are colored in, you will have $300. So I definitely can't wait to do this one. For the $10 challenge, it just shows to color in a flower for each $10 you save. Once all are colored in, you will have $480. Can't wait to do that one. I could probably do this one for my birthday next year in January. I'm not really sure if I'm doing anything for my birthday because it's the winter time and y'all know how that goes. Next, we have one that I can't wait to do. So it just says to label 100 envelopes, 1 to 100. Each week, pick 2 envelopes, and the amount you pull gets put in. And when you finish, you should have $5,050. So I'm definitely excited about this one, and I can't wait to do it once I get done with my quarterly savings challenge. We have a 26-week savings challenge. And for this, it looks like that. And it just shows there's 26 honeycombs. Each week, pick a honeycomb to color in and stuff your envelope with the matching amount. Once all honeycombs are colored in, you will have saved. For some reason, I thought that was a 4. Is it a 4 or is it a 1? I believe it's a 1. $1,200. For the 52-week challenge, it looks like this. And it just shows that diamonds are numbered from 1 to 52. Each week, pick a number to color and stuff your envelope. When you get finished, you should have $1,378. And for the last one, you do have the Summer Savings Challenge, where you have 13 summers and you pick your own amount, which is great. Now, since I just got these in June, I won't be able to start it in July. I won't be able to start it in June, but maybe in July and or August. So I have 2 sets of those. And I did punch them for my personal envelope. Not envelope, but my personal binder. And I'll just sit her stuff over here. Next, wow, I can't believe that took 6 minutes to go over. So next we have envelopes from Sam. Thanks again, Sam, for replying to my message. So we have an envelope that says family time. Uh-oh, I got freebies. So this one just says, thank you for your support. Thank you for supporting my small business. I hope you are enjoying the items just as I do. And then it has her information. And she sent me a note. Thank you so much, Sam. I can't wait to use these. And I'll let you guys read them. So we have a mini cash breakdown, which I do enjoy these. And we have a clear half size mini envelope, which I'm definitely going to put that to use. So we have family time. And let me just pick these up. So we have self-care, date night, saving challenges, and I did make my boyfriend a envelope, and back to family time. So those are the envelopes that I do have from Sam. And stuff is falling over. That's terrible. Next and foremost, we have envelopes from Plan Your One Life. And this is how it came packaged, and it was packaged so nicely. Thank you so much, Britt. So the little note says, thank you for your order, Britt. And I wanted to open this when I first got it, but I was thinking, oh man, I really need to show this on camera. So now I get a chance to open it without tearing this up. Girl, you have this wrapped nice, so nice. And let's see what's in here. Uh-oh, I see a freebie. So we have weekly goes, which I can definitely use this a lot. So thanks, Britt. And what is this? Oh my goodness, she gave me a mess. Oh, wow, this is nice. Look at that. Y'all go shop with her. Her prices are definitely reasonable. And I love mess like this with the adjustables. So, thank you so much. So, here we have my orders. I only ordered one set. So, we just have my order. So, I had her to not punch them. That way I can punch them myself. So we have, let's see if I can get it to show. So we have gas, we have an envelope for health, which I love this color, by the way. So we got health. We have out of town because, well, I'm always going to visit my mom, who is out of town. And just look at that. Oh my goodness. Thanks, Britt. We have store, and I didn't want to go. Of course, I didn't want to go to the store, but I didn't want to put groceries because when I put money in here, it's for the store. It's for food and anything else in the store that I need. That's why I make it $200 bi-weekly. So we have store, and then we have miscellaneous or unbudgeted or whatever you want to call this. But yes, I am so excited to use all of the envelopes. What I may end up doing is going through and punching these, and I will just make a video where I take my money out, the ones that I do have, and re-put them in these envelopes. So I do hope you guys have a great rest of your night. I can't wait to use all of my things. And thanks again, Britt, for the mask. Oh my gosh, I can't, like, wow. So yeah, guys, have a great night.